Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to be playing with this guy. I got it on Amazon. It's got all these little clay beads, and you can make so many different things. But the reason I got it, I wanted to make some scissor charms, and I wanted to make just some gifts for my girlfriends. And then I saw somebody on, I think it was TikTok, I don't remember, but they turned just regular paper clips into some fun clips. So I'm going to show you, this is the back side, front side, or reverse. And then here's the other. And look at those cute little clay beads on there. So I'm going to show you how we do that. And I'm going to just use a paper clip here. It's just one of those plastic coated color ones. You could use whatever you'd like, but I just look to see. There's so many great things in here. There's little charms and whatnot. So I actually chose this yellow charm here. Oop. So I'm going to grab that. And I guess I don't really care if they get into the wrong case. It's okay. But we're going to go ahead and grab some. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with yellow. So I'm going to grab a few yellows from here. And you can put as little or as many as you want. And then I think with yellow, I already have gray. I don't want to do black. That would be cute for a bumblebee, right? I think we're going to go with some, maybe this blue color. That kind of goes together. I got my Cardinals colors, so you can, even for a boy, if they have a favorite sports team or something, those would be fun. And I'm thinking, what other one here? Maybe some white. That would be fun. Okay, so I got some of those beads. If you want to know, I got these, of course, on Amazon, right? And I think they were, I got them on Prime, so they were like $5. But I bought a bunch of them because I wanted to be able to make some for multiple friends. And all you're going to do is kind of open this up just a little bit so you can fit these in here. And then you're just going to one by one put them in. I'm actually going to start with yellow since we're dealing with yellow. You might want to use like tweezers. I can't see mine anywhere, otherwise I would be using them. But then I'm just going to go yellow, blue, white. And I'm going to put a bunch of them on here. So I'm going to do another yellow, blue, and white. And then I'm going to take my charm and I'm going to put my charm through there. And then after that, I'm going to go white, blue, and yellow. And then another white, blue. Make sure you get it in there. And then finally a yellow. So then I'm going to move them up to the side where I want it. Right? Because when you put it in your journal or your book or whatever you choose to use this as, you'll want to be able to stick that through there like that. So I'm going to put this guy back to where it belongs. And then I'm just going to take these little round bead, I don't know what they are, no, not tweezers, clamps of some sort. And you're just going to take this, and it already makes a circle for you. So you put it to what size circle you want it. I'm going to go, I'm just going to make a smaller circle. And you just start right at the end. And you bring that right around. And then I'm going to push that back. I'm going to bring it around a little bit more. And then I'm going to go over to this side and I'm going to do the same thing. So I pushed a little too hard. That's my fault. But if you're using just regular paper clips that don't have the coating on them, I think I got these at the Dollar Tree. So I'm not expecting the best quality, but you just got that. So now I have that cute, let me show you. That cute little guy. And it goes on just like that. And there you go. So we've got these three. One with a charm. You could use ribbons, you could use pictures, you could use all kinds of stuff. Let me know what you would use. And I hope you like that. It's quick, easy, and it's a fun little gift to give to your friends who like to journal. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit